Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a dragon milkshake. To begin, gather all your necessary ingredients. You will need 1 cup of fresh dragon fruit, 1 cup of milk, and 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Make sure your dragon fruit is perfectly ripe to achieve that beautiful, vivid color and sweet taste. Having your blender and glasses ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get blending. Pour 1 cup of your preferred milk into the blender, followed by 2 generous scoops of creamy vanilla ice cream. Next, add 1 cup of your vibrant, chopped dragon fruit. Secure the lid and blend everything together until the mixture is perfectly smooth and has a delightful, thick consistency. This usually takes around 30 seconds. Want to make your dragon milkshake even better? You can easily customize it. For a touch more sweetness, try adding 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. If you prefer a thicker consistency, simply toss in a few extra ice cubes or another scoop of ice cream. A small dash of fresh lime juice can also wonderfully brighten the dragon fruit's unique flavor. Your amazing dragon milkshake is ready. Carefully pour the freshly blended mixture into a tall, chilled glass. For a beautiful presentation, consider garnishing it with a thin slice of fresh dragon fruit or a sprig of vibrant mint. Remember, this delightful treat is best enjoyed immediately to savor its optimal cold temperature and wonderfully creamy texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.